Hello guys, welcome to our channel. We have announced giveaway. To participate in the giveaway you have to follow 3 steps. 1. Like. 2. Share. 3. Comment. In this giveaway we will give $100 worth SafeMoon token to 10 random lucky subscribers, so make sure you subscribe from all devices. To get benefits of giveaway. Winner will announce on the 1st of December. The crypto space has been slowly garnering the attention of industrial investors. In order to attract newbies, unique crypto projects are coming out in the market. Etc. is one such project which aims to enable developers to build and deploy smart contracts, autonomous. Ethereum Classic is one of the oldest cryptocurrencies that happened to become familiar with the Ethereum hack. Precisely, Ethereum Classic is the older version of Ethereum, which switched to proof of stake, POS, with its smart contracts post a third-party hack. This piece of Ethereum Classic Price Prediction project's forecast for 2021 and beyond. What is Ether Classic, etc. token? Ethereum Classic is the basic Ethereum token, created on the smart contract system, which appeared in 2015. It was designed to help the developers to operate the application effortlessly, with heightened security. Originally, Ethereum is the hard fork of Ethereum Classic, which was officially launched in July 2016. It has the ability to host and support decentralized applications. The main aim of the Ethereum Classic is to conserve the Ethereum blockchain after it got divided. Fundamental analysis like Ethereum Classic also allows signing of agreements on transaction smart contracts. These contracts are said to host the decentralized apps made on the platform, dApps. A proof of work, POW, consensus allows the etc. coins to be mined. Every transaction happening over the network requests a stipulated transaction fee to be paid. Further, miners receive incentives in the form of etc. for creating reliable blocks. The network works on the original Ethereum blockchain that persisted before the DAO hack. However, it underwent some updates to restore security. Unlike Ethereum, which is planning to switch to POS soon, Ethereum Classic has no such plans and would continue with POW, coupled with scalability improvements in the near future. Ethereum Classic Price Prediction 2021 ETH Classic gained massive profits this year. Etc. began trading at $5.70. Further, the price kept on surging. And eventually, the price surpassed 3-digit milestone, reaching ATH $176.06 on May 6, 2021. Etc. was hit hard by a market crash. The price fell by 440%, reaching $41.51 on July 21, 2021. The etc. price has surged gradually from early July with a resurgence of more than 40%. Further, owing to the Chinese market turmoil in the first week of September, the price has fallen to $45.47. Ethereum Classic Price Prediction 2022. If etc. closes this year hitting the lows, then it might resume next year's trade with a bearish note. In that case, the Ethereum Classic price starting January may be near $112.48. On a bullish note, the price would resume at around $134.458. The altcoin has proved to be a stable-priced investment all along. Despite the fact that crypto markets are unpredictable, etc. has not flapped too much. Thus, by the end of 2022, Ethereum Classic price can reach a high of $208.63. 5 years Ethereum Classic Price Prediction. As the years pass, many people may dive into the crypto market, and as newbies they will look out for relatively low-priced yet worthy currencies. Ethereum Classic is affordable for beginners and also is familiar with its very own breakout from Ethereum. If such a scenario occurs, the etc. price can boom and even touch $435.78. But, the fact that Ethereum Classic is still an inactive network in the competitive space can have a negative impact on its price movements. So, by the end of next 5 years, etc. can slash to a minimum of $338.66. However, since etc. is the original Ethereum, it can move steadily with an average price of $391.54. Our price prediction IOHK's relation with Ethereum Classic can impose a green signal for the altcoin in the coming months. According to CoinCity formulated Ethereum Classic price prediction, if the network turns active with IOHK working on it, the etc. price for the year can hit a high of $104.452. On the other hand, if the network fails to work on its security and falls prey to another cyber hack in the coming months, the price can drop to $44.40 with increasing FOMO. As a long-term forecast, if Ethereum Classic grows in price and shows good profit margins, it can hit $415.78, but negative sentiments like mining ban or a market collapse can pull a low of $307.66.